Ready, go. Cup. Yeah, roll.
Ko te kaha me te mātauranga e whāngai hiana mai te matua ki tana tama.
That's the interesting thing about this journey of arm wrestling for me is my son and my daughter have only just come into my care at the beginning of the year. They've been down in Aukaha for about 10 years with their mother. So from the starting of my arm wrestling journey up until the beginning of the year, that has sort of been the pathway that I was meant to go down.
Nege atu I te kautau, tēnei uri Ngāti Whakaue, Ngāti Awa me Ngāpuhi, e whae ana te ara o te ringa toa. A kua whakaihu aka ia ki ngā taumata tiki o te motu.
What it's done is it's sort of enabled me to discover more, sort of like open up my perspective on a lot of things, and in doing so, learning more about my culture, learning more about the art that I was meant to be doing from a young age, into what I'm doing now, which is tāmoko. So that self-discovery in arm wrestling has also transferred over into the self-discovery of myself.
When I train with Dad, it's like having your best friend and a gym bro at the same time. The types of training I do with Dad is good to build different muscle groups for arm wrestling, like your forearms and your shoulders and your triceps for side pressure.
Now I can move to the corner of the pad, other corner. There's a going down.
Te kaumārima tau te pakeke a pai te rangi, 5 tau ki muri, timata ai te whakapakaritahi me tōna pāpā. Katahi anō kia whakaihuaka ki tētehi whakataetahi ringatoa arohe.
You have to have a lot of discipline when people train to get to this type of level in arm wrestling. They've got to have lots of discipline in them.
Hei tā te rangatira ki ngā mahi ringatoa nei, ko te tuku I tō katoa I te hekona tuatahi, te kurahuna o e nei mahi. Hana mai, break. Te ahua nei, kaore iau e rā Pūkēka.
Now that I have my son with me, I guess it's more about not telling him what he should do, but just sort of providing a pathway and a vision for him if he feels like going down. And in doing so, it's a connection that I've missed out on for the last 10 years.
My goal is to keep arm wrestling and go to arm wrestling matches and just have fun and give it my all.
Ka mutu, koati, tēnā pāpā me tana tama I ngā mahi whakangungu mō te rānei. Ko te hikoe ki ngā whakataitai ringatoa e haere ake nei.
Good work, my son. Good work.
Thank you.
Te kaua pāora, mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.